In this video, I'll talk about how you can find your affiliate code on Temu. Now this is easy guys, you want to open up Google and search for Temu affiliate program. Open this and simply just log into your account. Now if you have the Temu app, what you can do is you can just go on your laptop or anything and log in. And you can also go to this website from your phone, but it's just easy on the desktop. Then log into your account, scroll down under affiliate, and you'll be able to see your codes right here. So these are the referrals that I can share. So I can just click share and I'll have my code right here. Now another thing you can do is go to invite affiliate. In here, you will also be able to invite people. So just click on this button right here. And now it will show you your code. Now, if you don't want to copy this whole text, you can just click on the copy link and it will just copy your code. So that is basically how you can find your affiliate code. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.